go. So today I got an EnailCouture scoop. Now I've had one of these before, wasn't overly excited, but for the prices and what you do get in there, I thought brilliant. And if there are any duplicates, then I am going to be doing a giveaway when I get to 500 subscribers, so that can go in there. Now this one came packaged a little different. It came inside one of these, and we just with those stickers on as well. Has anyone ever had this? But this is a scoop. Where's my address? Hold that down. So it is a scoop. The last one I got, I paid, that's dollars, I paid £11.90 because they had a sale on, and they were doing free delivery. This one, I think it was like £17, but they were doing free delivery again, so I thought, why not? But this is a scoop. So it's come with those two. The first thing I noticed was I could spell monomer, and this was separate. Last time I got I didn't video it. Well, I did video it last time, but like I say, I wasn't overly excited. But I did get 4 of the top coats, the shiny ones, and then I got another one that I didn't have in my giveaway from Emma. And so I want the collection. So I got a monomer free. Okay. Last time I got the file, this time I got the monomer. And then I got the box, and it just says scoop written on the top. Okay, it's quite heavy. Ooh. Okay, so I see a couple of different things. So we've got Happy Gel in pure white. I don't have it in that colour. And look at those. So we've got the, I'm going to be scared to open that. Little crystal pots. Oh yeah, it's got pointy back crystals in. They're like a yellow, blue, and then the pink caviar beads. I'm not going to open it because the caviar beads will go everywhere. This one's different as well to what I've got previously. And I'm going to have to see what brands are those top coats. So again, loads of caviar beads and pointy backs. I love making clusters, and this stuff is really good for doing clusters. So you put like a plobber bit on, push them in, build your cluster around it. So yeah, so that's got different colours. They're like little glass caviar beads, colour shift on them. Ooh, oh, I've got the pink one, haven't I? Number 7. Oh no. I've got number 14. Okay, so we've got the neon liner gel and the super rich one coat gel. Oh, these are actually really good. Oh my days, look at that colour. Those blotch. They are actually really good. And the super rich one coat gel number 7. I got a white one in this last time and a pink in the neon. Oh, that is so pretty. See, now I need to collect all the liner gels, don't I? I shouldn't do this. This is why I didn't want to buy it in the first place. So we've got another one of these. I am going to be doing some acrylics on my channel at some point, so that will definitely come in handy, as will the nail glue. I used that on my press-ons that I put on, was it last week or the week before? It's actually really good. Bubblegum gel in ivory. I haven't got this. Well, I've got this, but not in this colour. Oh. Let me see. Where's my little scissors? Oh, come on. Ow. Oh, I'd always do that with these. So this is what most people use for applying the tips, but I use it for 3D sculpting and it works fantastic. I think I've got pink and light pink or something like that. But it's non-stick, so you can mould with it. It's brilliant. So yeah, made up with that. Making a mess. Little flashy lamp. I got one in my first one and it broke, and then I got another one that I got in my giveaway from Emma, so I made up. So that one could possibly go into, they are all the same, aren't they? Could go into my giveaway. Yeah, they are all the same. I just think it's quite cute. Okay. So the Mermaid Pearls ink, are they the ones? Oh yeah, I got these from Emma in my giveaway as well, so these will go into mine. I haven't had a go with them yet. I've just got myself some watercolour brushes, so I am going to be trying them. So that is giveaway. Right, these, what have we got? We've got Mercury, let me see, it was Saturn, Pluto, please say I haven't got some of these, and Moon. Let's have a look. So I've got Mercury, Saturn, yeah, got Saturn, Pluto, oh, haven't got Pluto, and Moon. I've got Moon, so that's 3 going in my giveaway. And then this is another one for my oh, it's the one with the black flecks in. Yes, that is going to be ideal for, oh come on, little Easter eggs. And then oh god, the stickers that worn, I can't even see. Don't know what ones they are, I can't even see, but they are Stiletto French, and I could get away with wearing those, so yeah, I will use those. And oh, some clear ones, oval. The sizing's always a bit funky with these, so like I got some ombre stilettos, they were like double XL, but bloody huge. The zeros sometimes don't fit my nails, but the zeros in them was too big, so a bit confused. But I like these, the looks. Yeah, they're going to fit me, and they are again perfect length. Love them. And sometimes I use like these ones to do videos on my channel. I just paint over them, so they're ideal for just sticking on, like 1, 2, 3, go. Or you can add a bit of a shiny top coat or whatever. And then we get 2 stickers, and I haven't got these either, so that's fantastic. Oh my god, they are fab. Oh, I like them. They're quite festivally, aren't they? Made up with those, and they will definitely get used. Definitely get used. So overall, so what I'm keeping is I'll be keeping the 2 lots of tips, the happy gel, the stickers, the 2 liners. I got loads of monomer, I got a new top coat and the glue, and then these 3 will go into giveaway with the Mermaid Pearls ink because I have them, and a little flashy lamp because I have a new one that now works. So these top coats, they are packed full of different glitters. I mean, look at that. And they are quite thick when they go on, but they do level. They are really nice. And that's satin. That one's got like the bigger glitter flecks in. Oh, come on. and Moon. I like this one. They're kind of like, it's got small flecks in, then the big sort of shards in. It's absolutely gorgeous. Come on. I need to pop the bubble. That was it. So yeah. If he keeps going with the free deliveries and the sales and things, then yeah, I probably will order. But it's not sort of something that I would necessarily reach out for. And with the mystery boxes, obviously, it is that case, isn't it, you know, where you just don't know what you're going to get. And I have seen a lot of people that all got exactly the same as what I did in my first one, so I'm surprised that I did get a few things that I can keep from there. But yeah, so what do you think of EnailCouture? Let me know. And it's only a quick video, little scoop, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.